Hi guys, welcome back again to Dami Dimensions channel. My name is Dami. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a headband that is the simplest, the easiest headband ever. We are going to be making this headband in 2 easy steps. This is the kind of headband that you just need a very little piece of fabric and you can make it within 5 to 10 minutes. If you don't have sewing machine as well, I guarantee you can still do this really quick because it's so fast. So just grab yourself your needle and thread and let's get sewing. So all you need is this fabric, which is 22 inches by 8 inches long. So what you want to do is you are simply going to fold it this way into two, right sides facing each other, and then we are going to pin it. You take it to your machine and stitch all the way here by 1/2 inch. So that stitch has been done. The next thing you want to do is simply turn it to the right side, and I'm gonna give this a good press. So I have pressed it, and as you can see, I let the seam line to be at the center right here at the top. So what you want to do next is to bring the two ends together this way, and then you are going to move the top one and let it stop at the middle like so. Then you are going to wrap this one towards the back and wrap the other side towards the front, just like so. And then you take that to your machine and stitch by 1/2 inch. So once I was done stitching, it looks like this. So what I did next was I trimmed off this excess, and I also chopped off this corner right here just because it could poke through, you know. So after trimming it off and making it look clean, just open it up and that's it. I told you this is like a 2-step and something you can do in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Super easy. You can make so many of it in a day. You can sell it, you can gift it to a friend, you can do whatever, you can rock it, you know. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe. I share a lot of sewing tutorial on my channel, pattern drafting, DIY, you know. Check it out. Check out my channel. You definitely see something that you like and you want to stick around. So I hope I see you again in my next video. Bye.